Hello everyone, welcome to DBLS03 Chicago. Today we're opening up UFC striking signatures. You get one encased autograph card. So let's see. Hopefully get a good one. I believe these, this is from the last year it expired, the no purchase necessary, so you can't do that anymore. Let's see what we got. I believe I got this one on eBay. So, and these are encased, so that's nice. It's really hard to open this thing. Let's try on the side here. Oops. Glad it's encased. Okay. Man, this is really hard to open. I'm just going to open it like that. There we go. Don't try it at home. But I know this is encased, so it's not going to ruin anything. Okay. Hopefully everyone's doing okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Tomorrow I will be opening one of these on Sunday. The Mosaic NBA 3-card bonus pack from Target.com. And then I believe there's one bonus pack in the corner there. And I will be doing more during the week because I got a few of them, so hopefully we get some good stuff. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we get. This is from 2020. It's an auto. And let's see. It is out of 99. Christos Giagos. He's a lightweight STS-CG. Striking Signatures Fighter autograph card from 2020. So nice card. These are kind of like the clearly authentics. So it's got a little sticker on there. But you do have a chance of getting, I believe there's Adesanya in here and some other fighters. I don't think Connor's in this one, but so there we go. So maybe in the future I could get another one of these before they're harder to get. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned tomorrow for Mosaic NBA Trading Cards 2020-21. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Getting closer to 50. Take care. Thank you.